Happy New Year! It's January, and over the last few weeks we've had a lot of rainfall, I think the most on record since 1987, which has been the perfect opportunity to test our properties. Here are a few things you might want to take a look at if you have a few minutes and you're recovered from the holiday season. Take a look at your driveway. Over time, the ground settles. Does it still slope nicely away from the structure? Are your area drains still in all the right places and unclogged?
Look up and around your skylights. Make sure they are not leaking. They might need to be sealed.
In the event it might be time for a new driveway, an alternative to straight cement is interlocking pavers such as these, which are more permeable and perhaps better for drainage. Obviously, installing drains right before the garage door is a nice way to keep water outside of the structure, and they could very well be approved by the HPOZ if they are behind your fence. This is Ann Loveland with the Loveland Carr Group, helping you love on your home. Stay dry.